Let's recondition it and see how it looks. We wash it by hand with soap and water, and then we air dry it on the dish rack. After a year, this is how it looks. The Scorch Marker lasted a really long time. We're going to be pretty generous with the amount that we pour on. The only thing that's in here is MCT oil, orange essential oil, and a little bit of rosemary extract. You can be really generous with this stuff. As you can see, the wood is already starting to soak it in. Just keep applying it until everything's soaked in and saturated, and then you let it dry for a little while and you repeat. When wood gets wet, it likes to expand and contract. All these wood grain lines are like little straws, and they absorb water, moisture, and then when they dry out, they shrink. And that expansion and contraction is what causes wood to crack and warp and distort. So by applying a conditioning oil like this one, you can help prevent a lot of that expansion and contraction and prevent a lot of that water from getting into the wood. You see how quickly it absorbs into the wood like this? We're gonna make this thing look way better than before. Let's get those edges. After it's conditioned, it will look something like this. Oh, it smells so good. Let it dry for a day or two, and then either apply another coat or just get it right back into the kitchen.